was rightly placed along with the power of self-discipline. Discipline bridges the gap between goals and achievements. The more disciplined you are, the easier life gets. Good morning, School Principal, Reverend Sister Rostom, teachers, and all our beloved Carmelites. Today we, the students of class 12C and D, are here to present our special assembly on the topic self-discipline is the best discipline, a virtue which becomes the cornerstone of all our achievements. So let's start an assembly with a prayer song.
Under the protection of the Almighty, can say to him, "You are my defender and protector. You are my God. In you I trust. He will keep you safe from all hidden dangers and from all deadly diseases."
Sponsors play a very important role in the field of commercial work. So today, we the commerce students will highlight the value of self-discipline with variety of advertisements.
Tells us about punctuality.
In order to be self-disciplined, one has to be punctual and regular in school as well as studies.
Hey, what's the cost of punctuality?
It's free of cost, no MRP.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Hey, I am a mobile. Come. I am having multi-entertaining things for you. You will have fun. You will have variety of games for me.
No. I am a book. Don't use mobile frequently for a long time. It will destroy you mentally and physically. Mobile has branding, but the book has higher goodwill. Use me. I will teach you self-discipline, make you effective and efficient. In order to attain self-discipline, one should meditate and should read good books.
Self-control and self-regulation can keep a person away from all types of addiction. Keep yourself away from mobile phones and get more closer to books.
Who's there? Hey ma'am.
Hi.
We are presenting you with the best sunscreen of positivity.
What's the use of this?
If you will use this sunscreen, you will be positive and enthusiastic throughout your life.
What's the cost?
Free. If you will apply this sunscreen, you will be positive and enthusiastic throughout your life.
And it will protect you from the harmful rays of negativity.
So use this sunscreen and be positive throughout your life.
For self-discipline, one needs to be confident. And with conviction, we can achieve our goals. With this, may I now call upon the stage one of our students for a rhythmical dance performance.
जिसका फल मीठा होता है।
One has to learn from failures and setbacks, and one has to develop healthy habits, be accountable, and track progress properly.
Face your failures optimistically, and always remember, failure is the first attempt in learning.
Through hard work and perseverance, we can achieve our dreams.
School is the best place for practicing self-discipline, be it in a classroom or ground.
Self-discipline can be achieved through practice and preparations.
Gautam Buddha has rightly said, speak only when your words are better than silence.
Add happiness to your life with the beats of music and morality of dance. Here we are presenting our motivational dance.
Let self-discipline have an impact on our personal and professional lives. Let us all cultivate this invaluable trait, empowering ourselves to overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and ultimately lead lives of purpose, significance, success, and happiness.
Where word fails, music speaks. So with this, let's conclude our assembly with a melodious song.